Welcome to the African Web, your source for groundbreaking stories that shape the future of Africa. Today, we're thrilled to share the story of a landmark project transforming healthcare in Burkina Faso, the Bobo-Dioulasso University Hospital. For anyone passionate about Africa's growth, this development marks an inspiring leap forward. Are you concerned about healthcare challenges across the continent? If so, you're in the right place as we uncover how this new hospital is set to redefine medical standards, inspire hope, and contribute to the nation's progress. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay up to date with inspiring African stories. For years, Africa has faced significant healthcare challenges, including limited access to quality medical facilities, insufficient funding, and a lack of skilled medical personnel. Many African countries struggle with high rates of infectious diseases, limited availability of essential medicines, and insufficient healthcare infrastructure to support growing populations. With healthcare systems in need of transformation, projects like the Bobo-Dioulasso University Hospital represent more than mere construction. They are a path to better healthcare outcomes, education, and future innovations. The new hospital in Bobo-Dioulasso symbolizes a major shift towards better healthcare for Burkina Faso and could serve as a model for similar efforts across West Africa. It's a testament to what can be achieved when governments prioritize health and partner with international allies to create solutions tailored to local needs. President Ibrahim Traore has played an instrumental role in making this project a reality. He's not only an advocate for healthcare reform, but also a leader dedicated to improving infrastructure and the well-being of the people. His vision is clear. He aims to create a healthcare environment where no Burkinabe should have to leave the country to receive high-quality medical care. By setting a new standard for hospitals in the region, President Traore demonstrates his commitment to building a healthier, more self-reliant Burkina Faso. This project isn't just about bricks and mortar. It's about building hope and empowering communities. President Traore's focus on healthcare marks a fundamental shift in priorities, with the potential to inspire other African nations to focus on sustainable healthcare development. Imagine a hospital equipped with cutting-edge technology, capable of serving over 500,000 people right in the heart of Burkina Faso. The Bobo-Dioulasso University Hospital will not only be a place for healing, but also a center for medical innovation and education. Designed to international standards, the hospital will house state-of-the-art medical equipment, highly trained staff, and specialized departments that meet diverse medical needs, from emergency care to advanced surgical treatments. Set on a sprawling 42,000 square meters, the facility includes 17 buildings encompassing emergency services, a medical technology department, educational facilities, and accommodations for foreign medical experts. These accommodations will allow Chinese medical professionals, who are part of an international collaboration, to work alongside Burkinabe healthcare staff, sharing knowledge and expertise. The hospital is expected to open in March 2025 and will offer 500 beds, a significant addition to the nation's healthcare capacity. For a country where many people often have to travel long distances to access healthcare, this hospital will be a lifesaver, offering immediate and high-quality medical services locally. Beyond its healthcare impact, the Bobo-Dioulasso University Hospital is a driving force for economic growth. The project has created numerous jobs for local workers, from skilled engineers and technicians to construction laborers. It's more than just employment. It's a learning opportunity, with local workers gaining skills in modern construction techniques and hospital management. These skills will prove invaluable for future infrastructure projects as Burkina Faso and other African nations move towards self-sufficiency in construction and healthcare. Warasu Constantine Sanan, the project coordinator, expressed pride in the hospital's construction standards and the diligence of the workforce. He highlighted that the hospital is built with the highest safety and quality measures, ensuring its longevity and reliability. "Our team is not just building a hospital," he said, "we are building a legacy." The hospital's development is a prime example of successful international collaboration. President Traore's administration has fostered a strong partnership with a Chinese construction firm, showcasing the benefits of global alliances. This partnership is more than a financial arrangement. It's a strategic initiative that raises the standards of healthcare and construction in the region. Such collaborations are becoming increasingly vital as African nations look to diversify their partnerships and gain access to technology and expertise that may not be readily available locally. In this case, Burkinabe workers are not only gaining technical skills but also learning advanced project management techniques that can be applied to other critical sectors, such as education and infrastructure. For many Burkinabe, the hospital is more than a building. It represents hope, unity, and the future they wish to see for their nation. Local worker Dawood Hamadou shared his pride in contributing to the project, saying, "Every day I wake up knowing I am part of something important. We're building not just walls but a future for our families and communities." This sentiment resonates with the entire team, who view the hospital as a beacon of hope for future generations. Such projects remind us of the power of unity and collective effort. As Burkina Faso undergoes a transformation, the Bobo-Dioulasso University Hospital stands as a symbol of what can be achieved when a country prioritizes its people's well-being and commits to long-term development. President Traore's dedication to healthcare signals a promising trend for Africa's future. His vision aligns with broader goals across the continent, as leaders recognize that robust healthcare systems are essential for sustainable development. The Bobo-Dioulasso University Hospital could set a precedent, inspiring similar initiatives across Africa. Imagine if each African nation prioritized healthcare infrastructure with this level of commitment. How transformative would that be for the continent? As we watch the progress in Burkina Faso, there is hope that such healthcare transformations will ripple across Africa, helping to close the healthcare gap and improve the lives of millions. The hospital is also expected to play a crucial role in community development by providing accessible healthcare, creating educational opportunities for medical professionals, and serving as a center for ongoing medical research. Its presence will benefit not just Bobo-Dioulasso, but also neighboring regions, offering resources and expertise that were previously unavailable. The long-term impact on public health will be profound, with a healthier population contributing to a more productive workforce and a stronger economy. With healthcare facilities like this, African nations are taking meaningful strides towards self-reliance, empowering communities to take control of their health and futures. The Bobo-Dioulasso University Hospital project is more than just a construction endeavor. It's a symbol of hope and progress. It stands as a testament to the vision and dedication of President Ibrahim Traore and the resilience of the Burkinabe people. As we continue to follow this project's journey, we remain hopeful that its success will inspire similar developments across Africa, fostering a brighter and healthier future for all. This hospital project represents a turning point not only for Burkina Faso, but for all African nations striving for self-sufficiency in healthcare. What are your thoughts on this groundbreaking initiative? Could this project be the start of a healthcare revolution in Africa? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the African Web for more inspiring stories from across the continent. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.